Hi, I'm Jesse Monty. I'm a master installer at the Rug Gallery. I began my installation career back when I was 19. Many installers are not qualified. They just don't have the years under them. And as a master installer myself, I have 25 years of installation experience. That helps on your job because as I come to your home, not only with the different variety of carpets that are installed, especially through the Rug Gallery being wovens and wools and Wiltons, it requires someone who knows what they're doing. With your general installation of carpet, the average installer is trying to get in and get out. There have been many shortcuts over the years that have been applied. It leaves you with a very subpar installation experience. Clint Sampson and myself, we're both master installers, and that is something that's very rare. There's only a handful of registered installers across the nation. So to have two at the Rug Gallery here in Cincinnati, that's a privilege both for us to be able to work for the Rug Gallery as well as for the Rug Gallery to be able to provide expert services of installation to your home. We guarantee our installation for the lifetime of the carpet as it's related to the installation. So we'll come back and fix whatever it is that may need fixing. If you'd like to learn more about rugs, carpet installation, please visit us at the location in Blue Ash at 9350 Kenwood Road, or visit us at theruggallery.com.